Hey buddies, what's up? So welcome to part 2 of the infinity mirror taillights, and yeah, so and this week I got my foil. It's a double mirror foil. So, and I went ahead and the plates I made already, I put the foil on the plates. So both infinity mirror taillights are ready to go basically. And for the next time, probably I would probably build like the unit, the infinity mirror with the LEDs in there. I would build it separately and then put the whole unit into the taillight instead of building it up in the taillight. That was kind of complicated, and yeah, probably the other way would be easier. And I would say before I paint it and put the glass back on, I go in the we go into the car and take a look how the infinity mirrors work before we put the glass on. Alright buddies. Okay, so I connected the taillights or the infinity mirrors to the battery of the Jetta, and that's how it looks like. Not bad. Alright, let me turn the light off. Okay, so that are the infinity lights. Okay, now I go ahead and connect all the wires, and then we go ahead. See you back at the table. Alright, so we tested the infinity mirror lights. So now I painted the rest of the lights black. So we got our taillights with the infinity mirrors, a reverse light, the brake light, and the following blinker. So, and our next step is put the glass back on. And I would say I put the glass back on and I make all the electric in the back of it. And then when the taillight is finished, we see us again, and then we finally put it in the car and see how it looks with the glass on in the car installed. So the glass is back in, and yeah. Okay, it's not really that clean right now, but that's how it looks like. Yeah, painted black. You can see our mirrors in there. That light. Yeah, I glued everything back together. You can see it everywhere here. Because I just used a hot glue gun, because like I said, it's just a practice, and I learned a lot about it, and I know which mistakes I made and how I can make it better the next time if I do it. And yeah, that's the back side of it. Everything is hooked up. I soldered everything with my soldering stick and whatever it is called. But yeah, we have a resistor in here because we are having a LED blinker. Yeah, if you don't have a resistor, you're really just stuck if you try to turn. And I mean, in that case, this is not too bad because it's following light. But if you have still normal bulbs in the front, like I have, the bulb would just glow the whole time instead of blink. Yeah, so we have a resistor in here, so we have blinking light here and in the car. I put both infinity lights together. Brake light, we put a LED bulb in there, and yeah, my reverse light, and that is also a really powerful LED. And yeah, that is how it looks. I know it's not the nicest, and I learned a lot about how to do that stuff, and right now I know what I can do better, and there is a lot what you can make better. Like I said, make modules and put them in later. That that keeps you away from a lot of headache what I had, and I would probably get another stripe, because that stripe is not that nice, especially if I have a clear light. And I don't know if you can see there and there are scissors on the stripe, which are indicators where you can cut it, and that's not so nice. So I would probably, for the next time, I get me another following light, and but the rest of it didn't turn out so bad. I probably will yeah, it was the first time I got the glass out of a taillight. So I made a couple mistakes there too, but now I know how what is a better way to get it out, and I will do it the next time. And gluing it back in, I just used hot glue right now because I just want to get it back together. It's not gonna end up in the car forever, just for testing. And if you put it back together really for a long time, I would use a Hero Thing or something like that. The glue what you use to glue your windshield in, and put it back together with that. But yeah, so yeah, so far so good. So what I want to mention here, right quick, if you like to see how I build stuff like that, and in the next couple of months, I will redo the whole Jetta, and I will also build custom front lights and a closed grille. Like I don't know if you ever heard of Recari front end. I will try to build something like that and make my own headlights with LED lenses and all that stuff, and really futuristic taillights for a car, really futuristic headlights for a car like that. But yeah, if you like to keep on track with stuff like that, yeah, just give me a subscription, follow my channel. Yeah, so you keep on track. We have a lot of other projects also going on, like the big turbo Jetta, what I gotta end up selling in a couple of weeks, and another project is also coming in, and I have to. It's a lot of stuff coming up. So okay, so I would say I go ahead, put a taillight in the car, and then we take a look at it, and then after we took a look at it, how it looks like, we're going on a little yeah. Yeah, then we put a little video about just a taillight with nice music in the background, and then I would say we see us again next week. Okay, we install the headlight now, and it doesn't look too bad. I kind of like the look of it. Yeah, especially before it was really white and red, and now it's more dark because of that surface we painted black here. And I would say now the moment of the truth has come. How does it look with the glass on there, and how does the blinker work? I'm really excited, and I would say let's take a look. Okay, the light is on now, and yeah. So the mirror effect gets a little bit distracted because of the glass. I mean, you can still see it. It looks still nice, but the real mirror effect is not that visible anymore. I mean, sure it's visible, just gets distracted by the different pattern here. I would say the next time we build our own taillights, we make it looking really nice, and use our plexiglass shield and make that outer glass just clear. Yeah, that's possible. It's not a heavy structure, and well, I mean, yeah, you can still see the mirror effect and it looks still nice. I would say we test the brake light right quick. Like I said, I put LEDs in there as well. I hope you can see it. I hope it's bright. Let's test the blinker. Oh yeah. Yeah, the blinker works nice. I like it. Let's check the reverse light. Alright buddies, so that was my video about the Infinity taillights. I hope you enjoyed it. And we take a little closer look now, like I said. And yeah, if you want to see more stuff like that, and go ahead when I rebuild that car in another way I had before, and do my other projects or builds, subscribe my channel, and yeah, see you next week.